What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Nexigo Air T2 True Wireless earbuds, and these are a very unique pair of earbuds just because of their design. They're ultra thin and they're probably the thinnest earbuds you're ever going to find. They're definitely the thinnest that I've ever seen, and that's one of the reasons that I wanted to check these out. I get a ton of emails from different companies and brands wanting me to feature their products on the channel, but quite honestly, a lot of them I just don't have time to get to them, or it's just something that I'm not that interested in. But whenever I see something that's different from any other products that I've ever come across, I always like to jump at those opportunities and feature them on the channel just to add some variety, and that's definitely the case with these. And you have a few different color options. You have black, you have silver, you have brown, as well as a rose gold. So again, ultra thin, ultra compact, and these are a pair of semi-open earbuds, which means they don't feature any silicone ear tips. Now let's go ahead and jump in and check these out, starting off with the charging case. So with the charging case, you're getting a very innovative design. You can see the earbuds are visible through the case, and right in the middle you have 3 LED indicator lights to help you gauge your battery life. And then on the bottom of the case is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. So as you guys can see, the case is extremely slim, it's extremely compact. So this is going to be one of the most comfortable charging cases to walk around with in your pocket. It's not going to be sticking out or, causing your pocket to bulge out or be uncomfortable as you walk around or sit down or just go through your daily routine. So that's definitely one of the pros with this design. Moving on to the earbuds, again, as you can see, extremely slim, extremely compact. You've got some branding featured along the stem, and then right on the side of the earbud is where you have the area for your touch controls. The earbuds are very lightweight, which helps in terms of the fit, which we'll talk more about later in the video. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2, and they support aptX as well as AAC and SBC for their audio codecs. This is one of those pairs that once you've gone through the initial pairing process, anytime you remove the earbuds from the case, they pair up with your phone extremely fast, and by the time that you get them into your ears, they're queued up and ready to go. They also support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 7 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 28 hours including the case. When it comes to water resistance, these have an IPX5 rating, which makes them safe for splashes of water. So if you want to wear them to the gym or outdoors, you're free to do so, but it's not a pair that you want to completely submerge in water. Now let's go ahead and talk about the fit. So due to the design of these earbuds, these are going to give you an extremely low profile once you have them in your ear. So if you're not a fan of, large bulky earbuds that kind of draw attention, these will be a good pair to check out. As you can see, they're not easily visible unless you're staring directly at them. And then the fact that they're so lightweight and they don't feature silicone ear tips, they're giving you a very comfortable fit. So this is definitely a pair that you can wear for extended periods of time with very minimal discomfort. These are also going to allow you to hear more of your surroundings since they're not completely sealing off your ear. So if you're the type of person that likes to maintain awareness as you listen to your music or talk on the phone, these are definitely going to help you do that. And then as far as the touch controls, you're getting everything except for your volume. So you get your play and pause, your track forward, your track backward, as well as your voice assistant. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So as you guys may or may not know, these style of earbuds that don't feature silicone ear tips, they're not going to give you quite as dynamic of a sound as a pair of earbuds that do feature silicone ear tips, and that's most noticeable in terms of the bass. So with these earbuds, you're not going to get that very punchy or very aggressive bass response. So it's really the treble and the clarity that's at the forefront of the mix. So vocals and instrumentation sound very good. It's very clean, it's very clear, and it gives you a lot of that detail within your music. So overall, if you're looking for more of that warmer bass focused type of sound, not really going to be the best option. I would say these are better suited to give you more of a casual listening experience. And then as far as the max volume, no issues there. They definitely get loud enough. Now, as far as phone calls, these are using dual microphones with CVC noise canceling technology. I think the microphones sound a little bit on the tinny side, but I'll let you guys be the judge. All right, so this is a microphone test. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, the design on these earbuds is really where you're getting your value. You're getting that ultra slim and compact build that you really can't get anywhere else. And on top of that, they're going to give you a very comfortable and lightweight experience. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.